Imagine one of your residents is stuck in traffic from a sudden road closure, and they don't know what to do. Do they have to call City Hall and wait on hold, or could they just ask your website and get real-time answers instantly on their options? Right now, most municipal sites leave residents frustrated. Repeat calls flood your offices, updates take days, and even Google struggles to provide your best information because of hidden content or poor structure. What if your website could answer questions 24/7, reduce your department workloads, and actually rank higher in AI-powered searches, without cluttering your website pages with unnecessary detailed information? Or waiting on your webmaster for updates? That's exactly what InteractiveSupport.AI does. It is a third-party public knowledge base companion that links seamlessly to your official website. It is already set up for about 30,000 cities and towns nationwide, including yours. And the best part? It's free, fully searchable by residents and search engines, and it is ready to go. Let me show you how simple it is to use. We preload the searchable knowledge base with 25 to 30 standard questions that we provide to each city. Next, each city can add as many questions and answers as are appropriate. Finally, after searching the knowledge base, if a website visitor does not find the information they are looking for, they can ask questions for the city to answer. This is a managed process that can reduce frivolous requests. Once answered, the city only needs to check a box and the question and answer gets cloned for sanitizing before going into the public knowledge base. Next, we will bring AI into the process by letting the AI engine search the city's official website and the knowledge base, and combine those searches, along with any outside sources that seem pertinent, to provide the site visitor with a much more complete answer. Every city gets its own simple, memorable website address, InteractiveSupport.AI/city and two-letter state abbreviation. For example, InteractiveSupport.AI/Lexington KY. Anyone can reach it instantly, no complicated navigation required. Once your website visitor gets to your interactive support page, they will be able to quickly search through all your knowledge base questions and answers, using the search tool, rather than reading your frequently asked questions and still not finding their answer. The knowledge base search tool enables the website visitor to enter a few words into a text box, and all knowledge base items that contain the appropriate combination of words will be displayed. They can also select a category if they would like to generate a more targeted list of search results. The next choice is very important, and it is a choice many large organizations do not offer. You can now select whether you want your search results to contain any of the words entered, whether the results must contain all of the words entered, or if you are only looking for results that contain the exact phrase. How many times have you searched for an item and entered two words, like Lexington and fire, and your results are full of items about Lexington or fire, but not about the Lexington fire? With interactive support, just select all the words, and your search results will only contain items that contain all the words. Let me show you how it works. Here are the results of searching for business and license. There are over 3 knowledge base items that contain either business, license, or both. And notice those search words are highlighted in red so you can find what you are looking for easier. I will now click the View Full Knowledge Base Item button. For this knowledge base item, the city added a link to more information. The link could be to any external website, or it could be a link to a specific page within your official city website to make it faster to find for the site visitor. This is your Add New Knowledge Base Item screen. There are several important parts to this screen. First, after creating your question, you need to click the Generate Permalink Slug button. The slug will be displayed in the URL of the page it connects to. Search engines love this feature. Next, Notice you can select a category from the drop-down list to provide more focused search results. You can create as many of your own categories as are appropriate. If you want to link to a page, either within your own official website or an external website, you can add that link here. Finally, rather than letting your knowledge base get bloated with useless information, for items that are time-limited, you can enter the expiration date of the item so it can be deleted after that date. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, using InteractiveSupport.AI is free. However, there is one upgrade, and that is if you want to attach images to your knowledge base responses. The cost for that upgrade is only $10 per month or $100 per year. Here is an example of where a response includes an image. Let's be honest. City communication is broken. Residents can't easily find information. Businesses wait days for permit or regulation answers. City and county offices face the same daily struggle. Every day, your departments handle dozens of calls and emails asking the same questions. It drains time, resources, and patience for both your team and your residents. Remember, your InteractiveSupport.AI companion website is free, and it is already set up waiting for you to get started. To see your interactive support page, just go to InteractiveSupport.AI/your city name and your state. No questions and answers will be displayed yet, but that is because you have not yet entered any. Once you do, your page will work great. Also, keep in mind that if you are traveling through another city or need information about another city, the process is the same. Just enter that city name and state instead of yours, and you will be there. To get started creating your interactive support knowledge base, all you have to do is join cityspokes.com, which is also free. After you have verified your email, you need to add a spoke connection that connects your membership to your city, again free. Once you do that, we will verify your role with a phone call or other means in order to prevent someone from falsely representing your city. Once that is done, you will be able to start answering questions and creating your own question and answers. We are sure once you have set up your InteractiveSupport.AI system, you will be providing your residents and local businesses with a much more rewarding experience. And you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email or call us on our dedicated tech support line at 866-522-2066, and we will be happy to walk you through the entire process.